So in this video, we're going to learn about the different parts of speech. So the first part of speech that's very important is what a noun is. If you don't remember what parts of speech are, I did teach them in the prior video, so you can go back to that video to understand them. So the first part of speech that's very important is a noun. So what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. So let me give you some examples, and I do have a nice picture here to kind of help you grasp what this really means. So a person is, for example, a teacher, a doctor, Maria. So Maria being a name. And then a place is something like school, a park, Canada, Toronto. So those are some examples of what a place is. A thing is something like a book, a phone, a chair. And you can see from these pictures, you can see a person. So this is a being. So that's what we mean by a person. And then a place, and then a thing, something usually that's inanimate. So like a phone, a chair, a house. So those are examples of things. And then idea is something that's not tangible, something we can't touch. Something that we just have in our minds, like love, freedom, happiness. So all those are examples of what we call nouns. So we describe, that's a category, that's a part of speech that we consider nouns. So they name a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Let me give you a simple question here, and I want you to identify what the nouns are in this sentence. So what is the noun in this sentence? So the dog ran through the park. Take a few seconds and try to identify the nouns. And remember, nouns are person, place, thing, or idea. Okay, so in this simple example, the dog. This is you can consider this a thing. We can't really consider it a person. So this is an animal. And then the other example is a park. So this would be a perfect example of a place. So those two are good examples. Now, typically nouns, they're usually followed by a verb. So if you see the dog ran, you can see the verb right here. Usually prior to that, it's typically a noun. Not always. Obviously, you can see here we have park. So it's not coming after the verb, but typically it's going to be followed by a verb. So again, remember, noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. And I hope this picture helps you kind of grasp what that means. So if this was helpful to you and very clear, please like the video. I will be creating more videos on different parts of speech and giving more examples. So please like the video, please subscribe for our next videos, and leave a comment.